With the Lapdog X4, your laptop is conveniently and comfortably supported on your lap so that you can use it virtually anywhere without discomfort. It can even hold the larger 17-inch netbook models. The X4 is easy to adjust and has many useful functions and configurations. The simple push-button feature allows you to reconfigure the X4 and auto-lock it in place. The X4 can be used on sofas, beds, tables, desks, or as a standalone support system. There are 4 to 5 main configurations for the laptop holder, but the possibilities don't end there. Because of its adjustability, you can configure it to serve your own unique needs, and when you're done with it, simply fold it up and put it away till next time.